We're back at Outsider in Spokane. Incredible food made right in front of the customer creates a unique and intimate experience for guests. There's no smoke or mirrors here. At Outsider, it's fresh Washington ingredients prepared right.
It has everything I want in a dish. It feels healthy and delicious and interesting and balanced.
It's like as if somebody just, picked the ingredients from the garden and brought it over to me.
People are working really hard to grow stuff, and it's like, let's just let it taste like how it's supposed to taste.
Owner and chef Ian Wingate knows that making amazing dishes means using amazing ingredients. And here in Washington, we grow all sorts of amazing produce.
The cocktail we're going to do today actually is with lilac flowers, and they're only in season for a short window. And then we got some local cherries, and we're going to use the local DW Distillers brandy to make a cocktail with.
Now I'm meeting bartender Amber to make a special cocktail.
So there are actually lilac flower something.
Yes, it's infused into our simple syrup.
Okay, well, I'm excited. So tell me what we're gonna do.
So first you're gonna grab your glass over here and you're gonna put it into a little bit of our lime juice and then just put in the sugar.
Some lilac infused
simple syrup.
Which is so creative. And now what is this? This
is our Washington grown cherry fruit puree.
Okay.
And now we have some of our Luxardo, which is infused cherry liqueur. And then the star of the show, our brandy from Walla Walla. We could do a little shit. Pour it in here.
Oh, look at that beautiful color.
And we're gonna just top it with the cherry.
Voila.
Would you like to taste?
Yes, I absolutely want to taste. Oh, that's delicious.
Very good.
Yeah.
Bring some warm, tingly feelings. It's a good drink.
That's what I'm feeling.
Now that I'm all warmed up, it's time to cook with Chef Ian.
Well, what are you and I going to make today?
Today we're going to do Columbia River Steelhead. It's going to be with local lentils, peas, asparagus.
Well, now I'm hungry. I feel like we're sitting around a campfire.
Yeah, it gets toasty back there.
Yeah, I know. It's nice and warm. This is a beautiful looking fillet.
Yeah, steelhead's nice. They spawn twice a year, so they're more relatively available than salmon. And we're going to put the skin side down so it gets nice and crispy. Okay.
So that's just going to sit in there.
Yeah, we're going to. The oven's about 850 degrees right now, so it won't take long. And
a little warm.
Yeah. So I'm going to have you chop some parsley.
Okay.
Here.
He's like, stop talking, start chopping.
And then I'm going to add some lemon to this. Now you're going to chop that. You're going to keep chopping. We're going to add a little garlic here. In Italy, they use this as an accoutrement for fish.
Okay.
Kind of like we use tartar sauce. So,
yeah.
So this
I see. I have no idea what I'm doing over here. So
that's the beauty of this. There's no wrong or right way to do it. Just keep chopping.
Okay.
Just throw it right in the bowl there. Beautiful. I did these lentils beforehand. Okay. So what we have in here is lentils with curry. There's some potatoes, garlic, curry, chili powder, cumin, lemon juice, and then
smells really
so that's kind of our base. And then from there, we're just gonna chop up some of this
lovely
local asparagus,
Washington-grown asparagus. Look at that.
and then some fresh spring peas.
This is like the perfect spring dish.
Yeah, we'll add a little bit of a bell pepper for sweetness and color, and then we're just going to throw that right in the oven.
I love how you're using so many fresh ingredients. I think that makes such a huge difference in how things taste.
Absolutely, that's our philosophy here. Is like we let what's grown dictate what we're going to make for our menu. So, all right, now we're going to grab the lentils out of the oven.
Ooh, look at how pretty that is.
Steelhead.
Awesome.
This is called zug. It's kind of a zug.
Okay.
It's a Mediterranean hot sauce. So it's cilantro, jalapenos, lime juice, and olive oil.
Oh, that sounds great.
We'll put a little bit of flake salt on top. This here is a green peppercorn aioli.
So many flavors going on in here.
Yeah, and we have the steelhead, but really the vegetables and the lentils are the star of the show.
Yeah. How do you attack a dish like this?
I like to try to get a little bit of everything for the perfect bite.
Oh my gosh. That is so good.
What I love about steelhead, super mild. It's not over fatty like salmon.
Yeah.
And then when you pair it with vegetables, the vegetables really shine. It doesn't overpower it. The lemons that you chopped up, and then the zug, you get that cilantro.
Oh my gosh.
And then the curry comes from the back end, and you just get that finished with curry.
2 thumbs up. If I had more thumbs. I would put more thumbs up.
For more restaurants, recipes, farms, and fun, visit us at wagrown.com.